Ever heard about the equations of motion? Let me tell you. L square and 4L are formulas for finding the area and perimeter of a square, right? Also, to find the parameters of motions such as velocity, acceleration, distance, time, we use the equations of motion. Let's take an example, shall we? 1. Find the acceleration of a car which starts from rest and attains a speed of 20 meters per second in 5 seconds. Solution. Step 1. Identify the quantities given. U equals 0, meaning the initial velocity is 0 for a body at rest. V equals 20 meters per second and T equals 5. A is ungiven. Step 2. The equation that best connects U, V, and T, which are the unknown, is V equals U plus AT. Therefore, we have 20 equals U plus A multiplied by 5. 20 will now be equals to 5A, where A is now 4 meters per second square. Simple, isn't it? Let's try another. Determine the distance covered by the car, which starts from rest and attains a speed of 20 meters per second in 5 seconds. I'm sure you already know what to do. Step 1. Identify the quantities given. U equals 0, V equals 20 meters per second, T equals 5 seconds, A, like already calculated, equals 4 meters per second. But where is S? The equation that best connects U, V, T, and S is S equals UT plus half AT squared. Therefore, S will now be 0 times 5 plus half times 4 multiplied by 5 squared. And we have S equals to 50 meters. Simple, isn't it? Today, we have learned that to solve the various parameters of motion, we need the equations of motions. And we need to know all the quantities and parameters given so that we can choose the appropriate equation and the appropriate units. I'm sure you enjoyed the class. I'll see you in the next one.